In this tutorial we talk about sectors. Sectors are occlusion cooling, so they are basically like a render box. This helps with optimization of the map. When the map starts to get bigger, we need them. So first of all, I will create a new space, and in this it creates like default folders. One of them is the sectors folder, so F3 make it like the main folder, and then right click add box, and in the properties we want this to be sectors, and what we want to do with the sectors is to fill all our rooms just like this, so top to bottom. And now we have one room done. To be faster, what I want to do is to hold D, and then it will clone that sector to the other room. And I will do that for every like rooms of the map. We don't need to be that precise. We can do like a rough job, and we can come back later to make better sectoring. So that's pretty it for all the sectors, except I'm missing that windows. So let's do that. Now everything is sectors. I will explain how it works. Is, for example, if I am standing inside this room, then I can see this sector, so I can see the other room, but I cannot see the corridors. So if I check the corridor, I cannot see this sector, so this corridor won't be rendered. Same thing, if I'm in this corridor, I cannot see the rooms, but if I move here, then I can see this room, so this room will be rendered. So that's it for this tutorial.